Hello and welcome to How to Play Palace, presented by GatherTogetherGames.com. This video will cover how to play the card game Palace. The video will start with the general concepts and gameplay, and then get into more of the details for the game. The game is played with 2 to 5 players. To play, you need a 52 card deck. Each player is dealt 3 cards face down, then 3 cards face up on top of the 3 cards face down, then 3 more cards for each player's hand. The remaining deck is placed in the middle. The object of the game is to not be the last player with cards. Cards are discarded into the middle throughout the game. Any card or set of cards that are of equal or higher rank than the previous discard can be played to the middle. The cards are ranked with the ace being the highest down to the 3 being the lowest. There are 2 special card ranks, the 2s and the 10s. When a 2 is played, the discard pile resets and any rank of card can be played on the 2. When the 10 is played, the pile is cleared from the game and any rank card can be played to start a new discard pile. Going back to the hand that was dealt earlier, I have flipped up each player's 3 card hand. In an actual game, you will keep these 3 cards hidden from the other players. Before the game begins, each player is able to swap any cards from the 3 cards dealt with any of the 3 face-up cards. Player 2 will swap the 5 and 3 for the 2 queens. Player 3 will swap the 7 for a king. Player 1 will not make any swaps. Understanding which cards to swap will make more sense after you learn more about the gameplay. The player with the lowest ranking card starts the discard pile. Player 2 has the low 3 and plays it to start the discard pile. After playing a card, players will return their hands to at least 3 cards. Player 2 draws a card. Play moves to player 3. Player 3 must play a card of equal or higher rank than the previous card played. Player 3 will play the 5 and draw a card to return his hand to 3. Play moves to player 1. Player 1 will play his 2 6s to beat the 5 played. Cards of the same rank can be played together. Player 1 will draw 2 cards to return his hand to 3 cards. Play moves back to player 2, who will have to match or beat a 6. Players continue to take turns playing and drawing cards. When a 2 is played, the discard pile is reset. The player of the 2 will draw a card if needed to get back to 3 cards in hand, and then plays any card on the 2, and will draw again if needed. When a 10 is played, the discard pile is removed. The player of the 10 will draw a card if needed to get back to 3 cards in hand, and then plays any card to start the new discard pile. The player will draw again if needed. If a player cannot match or beat the previous card played, and doesn't have a special card to play, the player must pick up the discard pile and add it to their hand. Play then moves to the next player to start a new discard pile. If you have more than 3 cards in your hand, you will not draw a new card after playing until your hand drops below 3 cards. If the card you draw is the same rank of the card you just played on the discard pile, you can add it to the discard pile if the next player hasn't played yet. If a 4 of a kind is played together to the discard pile, the pile is cleared and a new discard pile is started. A player can play out of turn to complete a 4 of a kind. The player that completes the 4 of a kind will start the new discard pile. Going back to gameplay, once the middle deck runs out of cards, no more drawing after a play will take place. Once all the cards are played out of your hand, you will begin to play your face-up cards. Here, player 3 plays the last card of his hand to the discard pile, the 2 resets the pile, and player 3 will play again. He can now play a face-up card. Play moves to player 1, who is also out of hand cards and can play a face-up card. Skipping ahead, once a player has played all the face-up cards, the face-down cards are played blind. Player 3 plays the 2 for his last face-up card. This resets the pile, and he gets to play again. Player 3 chooses any face-down card to play. When play returns to player 3, he flips up a 10 to clear the discard pile. He then gets to start a new pile with his last card, and is the first to go out of the game. The play continues until only one player is left with cards. Skipping ahead again, player 1 flips his last card and it matches the rank of the previous discard. Player 1 is out and player 2 is the loser. If a player is forced to pick up the pile while playing the face-up cards or playing the face-down cards, The cards picked up will have to be played before returning to playing face-up cards or face-down cards. That wraps up how to play Palace. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and get more game tutorials by subscribing to our channel, Gather Together Games. Thanks for watching!